Folks, I'm in Mississippi right now. Please, please, please. I didn't used to watch the news because of the fake broadcasting stuff, but it is real. This is the superstorm of 2021. I tried to get out of my car. It's freaking crazy. If you don't believe me, this is first hand. Can't even get out my car. If family, friends, if this is the last time you saw me, hold on, you're gonna see me blurry. If this is the last time you see me, please, 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 everybody, I love you, and I've lived a full life, so I'm going to try to get out of here. Wish me luck.
Cut camera.